Look. Yo, this shit is that clean.
I just the front end.
This shit nice. This shit. What's up, yo? Oh, that shit is clean. You see the inside of that shit? Did what? I want a fucking Subaru. I want a fucking Hawkeye, motherfuckers. Yeah, fucking wonderful.
DSM. DSM is actually, yeah,
I'm just here.
Oh man.
That bitch sound nasty though.
All them sound fucking.
Honda, gang,
Some white walls.
Team Honda, that's right. VTEC bitches. Hey, why you gotta hate? Honda run this. Honda run. How you? Who the fuck he threatening?
You have to use two hands on one cheek. You smell that shit? I can smell that shit. That shit's strong as fuck. I'm like getting high as fuck right now. That smells good though.
That nigga's a fucking culero. I love you, bro. You're awesome. Shout out to. Oh, this is the car that was like. Oh, watch it. He's gonna record witnesses. See? Mopar. On the same Mopar shit. Anyway, the Subaru.
He was thinking wheels or base.
Where are you
Which
going?
one's more important?
Fuck off. Fuck off. Hey, murder sexy car like that. What's wrong with y'all? Look at the sexiness. Woo! I love you. VTEC. Yo, what's up? I forgot to end the video last night, but I'm out. Peace, stay humble, stay driven. F cancer.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.